Today marks about the halfway point of our trip, and today is also dock launching day. But before we push her out into the water, we're using the remaining salvaged lumber from the old dock, and we're going to get started on the ramp that leads out to the dock, although we won't be able to finish it because we don't have the T-Rex or Trex, I call them T-Rex now, but Trex deck boards. So Big Al's just painting some preservative, so hopefully we get a few more years of life out of these salvaged boards, and then we'll move on to launching the dock. Here is the solution we came up with for piling loops, something like that. Piling will get driven down into the bottom of the lake, and now the dock can float up and down.
That thing screws down. I know in climbing you do that just in case there's vibration. It would tend to be more closed and not open.
So this is where we're at.
I don't really understand why it's not level.
Anyways, this is where we're at. The pilings are just temporary right now. We're seeing if we like where it's at. Pretty large rock in the water with some aluminum on it down there. Past float planes probably bumped into it. So we're straddling that. Got one barrel over here, one barrel over here, and the giant rock is in the middle. But overall, it's looking pretty good. If we decide this is where we want it, then we'll drive the pilings in deeper. We have extensions that fit into the ends of them, and we'll make it a more permanent solution.
We need water. You just said you just dumped that in the top?
The blue bucket, dump in the top. Alright. This boot's only a little leaky. Probably not much in there. Yeah. This boot is more leaky.
I'm gonna f this up. I did not know.
Yes. Now I need shoes. Run the things.
I think that if we had to go to put a big drum in there. Thank you. Oh yeah, a new brand.
See, I do help.
Hey, you get the fuck out. Where's the yellow jacket coming from?
Alright, here is the assembled hinge system that Al designed to hold the ramp leading to the dock out to the dock. So it's is that a 30-inch galvanized pipe?
Yeah.
And then some large eye bolts. Were these Amazon or Home Depot?
Oh, Amazon.
So yeah, if you think you know how that goes together, well, you'll find out if you were right here in a few minutes.
I'm going to drill an 1/8 inch hole on all these centers. Then I'm going to take it down to the dock. I'm going to screw it on with a 3-inch screw, and I'm going to use this to put the pilot holes in for the ones over there. So I get them in just the right spot.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go ahead and drill these. I'll go ahead and drill those out to 5/8, put the bobs in, the bolts in.
They're 5/8.
You can hold the square and the piece and everything. You kind of get the gist.
You want it to be how square?
That's square. It's your dock. How square you want it. This is theoretically temporary till we get you another set of brackets. They came with nuts that were not galvanized. They came with just zinc plated. It doesn't matter. I care about stuff I shouldn't really care about. You just went up till you ran out of threads.
I go up till I run out, and I do like a quarter turn off.
Like
I don't
that?
know why. Yeah.
See where I left that? Well, forget. So good. Nope, no. My God. Oh, I didn't bring the other washer, did I? Yeah, I did. Please. Put a silicone on there.
So there is the hinge system for the future walkway, which is right here, to attach to the dock.
Don't have wrenches to get the bolt real tight, so I'm putting the silicone on. Kind of a form of Loctite. Those red pliers allow me to grab it and get it a little bit tighter, but I didn't bring them out.
I can go get them.
Good idea. You're able to handle that big of a log that way?
Yeah. All right, it's time to go screw on the last deck board. Then the dock is finished, but we'll still need to complete the ramp to the dock, as well as do some landscaping, preparing for better access to the ramp to the dock. Something like that. And that's a wrap on the decking. That one didn't quite go as planned. That one went a lot better. Blueberry. I'm sorry if I knock your pile over.
It's gonna get knocked over anyway. I just pile it there to begin with.
See, wasn't that easier than the come along?
Yeah, a lot easier. I just leave you to your business. I don't have to pick up anything heavy. Fantastic.
Once again, just a simple stick, the length the wood needs to be to fit inside my wood stove well. Yeah, we'll probably end up needing that. Pretty soft in there. All right, crank away. Sorry about that.
rain.
Huh?
It could rain.
It's gonna, I think.